Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a product that promises to restore your hair's natural shine and strength, Oribe's Gold Lust Transformative Masque might just be the luxurious treat your hair needs. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's take a closer look at what makes this mask worth the splurge. Oribe's Gold Lust Transformative Masque is designed specifically for damaged hair, offering an intensive treatment to revive, repair, and deeply nourish your strands. This cream-based formula is vegan, dermatologist-tested, and free from parabens, sulfates, and sodium chloride, making it a safe and effective option for a variety of hair types. When I first tried this mask, I was excited to see how it would fit into my routine. The texture is rich and creamy, and a little goes a long way. The mask is easy to apply, and it spreads smoothly through the hair. I left it on for the recommended 10 minutes and instantly noticed how soft and moisturized my hair felt afterward. There's a slight floral fragrance that lingers, which I found pleasant, though not overpowering. Now on to how it really performed. After just one use, I could feel my hair was noticeably smoother, shinier, and less frizzy. I've used it several times since, and it's definitely helped restore some moisture balance to my hair. While it's not a miracle cure for severely damaged hair, it's a great option for anyone looking to improve the overall texture and appearance of their hair. If you're someone with dry, brittle ends, this mask can certainly help. Let's break it down with a look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the mask is incredibly hydrating and works well to improve both shine and softness. The formula is also gentle on the hair, which makes it suitable for color-treated strands. It's also worth mentioning that a little bit of product goes a long way, so the jar should last a decent amount of time. However, on the flip side, the price tag is quite high for a single product, especially when compared to other masks that offer similar benefits. While the quality is definitely there, the cost might be a consideration for some. In terms of value for money, it's a tricky one. You're paying for the luxury of the Oribe brand, and for many, it's worth it for the results you get. Smooth, hydrated hair that looks and feels healthier. But if you're on a budget, there are similar products out there that can offer comparable results for a fraction of the price. When comparing this mask to others on the market, Oribe does stand out for its premium ingredients and the luxury feel it provides. However, if you're not particularly invested in the brand, there are alternatives that deliver similar hydration and damage repair, such as the Olaplex Hair Perfector No. 3 or the Briojo Don't Despair, Repair, Deep Conditioning Mask. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and luxurious, which is to be expected from a high-end brand. The jar feels sturdy, and the product is well protected. I do appreciate the fact that it's dermatologically tested and free of parabens and sulfates, which makes it a good option for those who are more conscious about ingredients. As for longevity, I've noticed that the effects of the mask last for a few days, especially when paired with a good leave-in conditioner. While I can't speak to its long-term effects after several months of use, the results after a few uses have been consistently positive. If you've ever had to reach out to Oribe's customer service, you'll know they're known for being responsive and helpful. However, I've had no direct experience with their customer support, so I can't speak from personal experience. For those considering alternatives, it's important to weigh whether the premium price is justified for you. If you love luxurious hair care products and want something that will give you soft, shiny hair, this could be a perfect fit. But if you're on the hunt for something more affordable, there are plenty of great options out there. To wrap things up, Oribe's Gold Lust Transformative Masque is a high-quality product that offers hydration and repair, making it a great option for those with damaged hair. Its luxurious formulation and the results it provides are impressive, but the price may be a hurdle for some. So who would I recommend this to? If you have dry, damaged hair and are willing to invest in a top-tier product that delivers smooth, healthy hair, this mask is worth considering. However, if you're on a tighter budget or just want something more affordable, there are other treatments that can still give you great results without the hefty price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.